Redmagic 5G gaming smartphone. We are Redmagic 5G gaming smartphone global distributor. We are the wholesaler. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. We make it global sending. It is the flagship gaming smartphone of Nubia Redmagic in 2020. Here's cooler fans. This is Pulse version, red and blue color. The fan is working on. Screen refresh rate is 144 Hz. Black color, blue color, red color and transparent version. The phone's battery built-in is 4,500 mAh battery built-in. Fast charger is 55 watt. Full charging the battery only need 40 minutes.